I think I make the point in the book. Coming from a very traditional, conservative Afrikaner Christian family in the Free State, I was destined to become a security police captain or a National Party MP or some kind of apartheid apparatchik. That was my path, because that's where I came from. And journalism saved me from that. And June 16, 1976 saved me from that. And that's the book. The title of the book is The End of Normal. That moment, just after 9 o'clock, Orlando West, 16th of June, 1976, that was the end of my normal. And it turned out the end of normal for my entire society. So I was saved by journalism because I got to see the other part of South Africa.
Mm. You describe yourself as this Colfoot Boersian from the Free State.
Yeah.
And there's this Colfoot Boersian from the Free State who is working for the Afrikaans press, who finds himself in Orlando West on June 16th, 1976. Yeah. And I didn't know this about you, that you had witnessed the shooting and potentially the shooting of Hector Peterson.
Yeah.
Why was that your end of normal?
This is the speaker where the truth runs deep, where the silence breaks and the soul can't speak. This is where we rise, this is where we grow. Mandy Wiener, let the whole world know. Authentic voice.